Welcome to the Wealth Castle. In today's video, we're talking about the importance of building an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected events, and having an emergency fund can provide peace of mind and protect you from financial hardships. Let's explore some key steps to help you build an effective emergency fund. Step 1. Set a realistic savings goal. Determine how much you want to save for your emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses, but adjust the goal based on your unique circumstances. Step 2. Make saving a priority. Treat your emergency fund savings as a non-negotiable expense. Allocate a specific amount from each paycheck and consistently contribute to your fund. Step 3. Automate your savings. Take advantage of technology by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund. This way, you won't forget to save, and it becomes a seamless process. Step 4. Cut back on non-essential expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce spending. Consider cutting back on dining out, entertainment, or unnecessary subscriptions. Redirect those funds toward your emergency fund. Step 4.1. Boost your income. As an alternative or in addition to spending less, you can find ways to increase your income, such as taking on a side hustle or freelancing. Devote this additional income to building your emergency fund faster. Step 5. Separate your emergency fund. Keep your emergency fund in a separate account, preferably one that offers easy accessibility and earns interest. This separation helps prevent you from dipping into the fund for non-emergency purposes. Step 6. Stay disciplined. Resist the temptation to use your emergency fund for non-emergencies. Remember, it's designed to protect you during unforeseen circumstances and financial hardships. Building an emergency fund is an ongoing process. Be patient, stay consistent, and celebrate each milestone along the way. You'll gain peace of mind knowing that you have a financial cushion to rely on when life throws unexpected challenges your way.